Бэм, блядь.
Alright.
Канадский каф.
Canadian.
Canadian, yeah.
Kanadski.
Canadian, блядь.
So at work I was recommended by a person who lives in Canada and works here for cough. Shut up! I'm sick of listening you coughing! So I've been recommended this cough syrup.
Listen, you period.
Get the fuck out then. Okay.
Come on.
So this is the cough syrup. I don't know, maybe somebody tried it before. It's called Buckley's. Yeah. That's a commercial for you. Buckley's. So I was told it's very nasty, but it treats
tastes nasty.
The cough over one night. There is regular strength and extra strength. We decided to try the regular. Let's go. Because Mr&MrsBeaster...
It hasn't been opened now.
Of course.
I'm just saying.
Are you dumb or dumber?
How do you drink this? Is there a cup?
Vodka.
Do I need to get a cup?
I don't know. Read the instruction. He cannot read. He's so stupid.
It's in Spanish. It's in French.
Oh my god, idiota! Read what it says.
Medicine ingredients. Directions. To be taken every 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay? As required.
Okay.
Adults and children.
You're neither.
12 years and over. 1 to 2 tablespoons.
And losers.
5 to 10 milligrams. Do not take more than 50 ml in 24 hours.
Take the whole bottle.
Okay.
You're Russian.
Each
you can survive anything.
5 millimeter contains potassium bicarbonate.
Potassium bicarbonate.
Okay. 260.
Whatever. Come on. Look at the
I gotta go 5 or 10 milligram. It says.
Is it on
No, I got.
Is there a cup?
Tablespoon. It says.
No.
It's got spoon.
Okay, wait a second. Let's bring tablespoon. All right, we got the shite. You're disgusting.
That's not bad.
Let me smell. It smells like mastic gum.
It's not bad.
Oh, it smells not like mastic gum. It's like urine with menthol.
It is like a urine with menthol. Cat's urine with menthol. Right?
Yeah. Just fucking...
Alright, I'm going for it, baby. I'm going 10 mil. Let's go. Ugh, it tastes like urine with menthol. Ugh. 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 I can feel the urine and menthol. Thank God it's got a little bit of menthol. Because if it was just urine, ugh.
Your favorite.
and that's salty too, you know? Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, your breath is disgusting. Please don't come next to me.
Oh, enjoy now.
You're disgusting in general, plus your breath is now disgusting.
Ugh.
Oh, I don't want it.
I feel like I have a cat's litter box in my mouth.
Enjoy.
Ugh. You know when you don't clean cat's litter box for a little while, and the smell of the pee.
I don't.
Yeah, that's what it is. Ugh. All right, people, enjoy.
All right, here comes the Buckley's.
Don't get sick.
Yay for Buckley's. Hopefully it helps.
Ugh.
They told me it treats it overnight. Yeah. Go away, you're a fucking moron and monster and disgusting. Ew. Divorce. Right now. Ew. No. Stop it.